Deepak Kochhar, by the way, is clarified to the Economic Times, and we've already told you the line of defense he seems to be maintaining. First rates, it is Thursday morning, and is it a bright Thursday morning? Well, it is a bright Thursday morning because it is a 1% gap up start for the Nifty, 114 points up for the Nifty. It's a 4% uptick for JP Associates. On my screen I can see there's a big uptick which has kicked in some of the high beta names, because IDBI Bank, HFCL, JP Associates, all these stocks are off to a good start. What about some of the stocks where the value transaction has been strong? Graphite India is falling on strong volumes. Tata Steel is bouncing on strong volumes. Tata Motors is up by about 2%, and it's almost 3,000 rupees for HEG, where the management yesterday exclusively clarified to ET Now that the Nomura report was based around Chinese facts and it will not be having impact on the Indian graphite manufacturers. Asha?
Let's see what ICICI Bank is up to. Are you seeing a meaningful rebound play out over there? Well, Tata Motors, of course, is holding out quite smartly, and this was one of the positional ideas from our chartists as well. I want to see what ICICI Bank is up to. Good to see that we finally moved in line with the S6 Nifty and not the pre-open rate. So about 1.5% higher. We're back above that 10,250 level. ICICI Bank, not a meaningful rebound, just about 1% from where we left it off yesterday. About a 0.5% move is what you're really seeing on ICICI Bank as we speak right now. By the way, talking about ICICI Bank, it being policy day, I also want to revisit what the Nifty Bank may be up to and what are the early indicators. What about SBI? What about Axis? What are the other PSBs doing? Are they beaten down, or are they seeing any cheer ahead of the policy, considering it's going to be a status quo really, so not a whole lot to take away from the cues there. SBI holding up quite smartly, so back above that 250 odd level, 498 on Axis, which is also indicating a start with a move of over 1%. HDFC Bank as well looks good. I want to see what a Bank of India is up to. This has been quite actively traded off late, so let's see whether there is a meaningful rebound coming in on Bank of India or not. Bank of India will just come for you on your screens next. Repco Home, and this has also been a unanimous call from both CK as well as Manis today, 4.5% higher yesterday. So maybe that traction on this name is going to continue. Eicher also was quite a big mover yesterday, so look out for this as well. Want to see what Fortis is up to after Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's comments coming in yesterday on as to how he's not really in favor of the deal with Manipal. Having said that, he said he's going to take a call or give his opinion when the shareholders are approached to do so, which they haven't been as of now. It's been only a board decision. Fortis jumps up by about nearly 2%. 130 is where that stock particularly is right now in trade. So net it's been an okay start for us. Can we sustain it, CK? That's the key question.